What's up, music producers? In today's video, we're breaking down the top free music making software options for beginners in 2024. As a new producer, choosing the right platform can be overwhelming, so let's explore some solid free choices to get you started. The main types of music software are DAWs like Ableton, beatmakers like Florida Studio, notation programs like Sibelius, synths like Serum, and audio editors like Audacity. For beginners, a full-featured DAW is best to record, edit, and mix complete songs. The top free options are GarageBand, LMMS, Sunvox, Waveform, Cakewalk, and Ardour. GarageBand is great for Apple users, with virtual instruments, loops, and basic editing. But it has limited plugins and instruments compared to paid DAWs. LMMS works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It focuses on electronic production with its synthesizers and drum machines. The learning curve is steeper though. Sunvox is similar. It's built around modular synths and ideal for electronic experimentation. But it may be too complex at first. Waveform gives you recording, MIDI editing, instruments, and mixing in an easy interface. You're limited to 8 tracks though. Cakewalk has unlimited tracks and robust tools, but only works on Windows. Support and compatibility are weaker than paid options. Ardour can accomplish any production task, but costs at least $1. Still an amazing deal for a pro-grade DAW. Some key beginner mistakes are not planning songs ahead of time, ignoring mixing and mastering, and not seeking feedback. Stay organized and don't forget the finishing touches. Watch tutorials on your chosen DAW so you understand how to use it fully. Learning shortcuts and tricks will speed up your workflow. Take breaks often while producing to stay sharp. Staring at a screen for hours hurts creativity and causes ear fatigue. The benefit of free tools is you can learn the basics without spending money. But paid software offers more features when you're ready to level up. We hope this overview helps you pick the best free music making platform to start your production journey. See you in the next one.